Hey everyone, our names are Yuval and Roni Chefetz, and we are students in the ALAS program in the Computer Science School of the College of Management Academic Studies. Today we will show you our project in the Advanced Software Development course. Let's review the milestones we did within the project. The first three milestones are the server side of our project. In milestone 1, we did the server-side architecture design with solid and grasp principle. In milestone 2, cache manager implementation with fast and socket streaming, and in milestone 3, the algorithm implementation from pseudocode to object-oriented programming implementation. The last two are the client side of our project. In milestone 4, we did the interpreter implementation, and in milestone 5, we did JavaFX GUI desktop application. Let's see our demo now. Our project is an application that is meant to control an airplane using two methods. The first one is autopilot and the second one is manual joystick. In the project, we got a CSV file that represents the map. We will load the map using the Load Data button on the top left. Next, we will move the control to the autopilot using the radio button above. We will load the script using the OpenText file button and send it to our interpreter using the send button. Then we will open up FlyGear and wait. When the FlyGear will load, we will start the plane engine.
Welcome aboard. Need help? Use help tutorials.
Now we will wait for the script to load. As you can see, we have our plane here, and we can choose a target that the plane will find the shortest path to it. To do this, we need to open our server, and using the FS algorithm, we will find the shortest path. We can change the target so it will calculate it again. As we can see, our plane started to fly. Using the script, we send it to the interpreter. Now that the plane is taken off, we will switch the control over to the manual mode and show you the joystick. As we can see, when we move the joystick, the plane reacts and moves. The same for the throttle and the rudder.
Now we will explain about the design behind. In the first and second milestone, we have the interface server and our implementation to it, MySerialServer, and it has two methods, start and stop. Next, we have our client handler that has two data members, Solver, which we implement in Solver Searcher, and the cache manager that checks if the solution already exists, and if it exists, it brings it instead of solving it again. In the third milestone, we implemented a searcher, best first search, and our matrix is searchable. That's how we calculate our shortest path. In the fourth milestone, we had a command pattern in order to choose the command we wish to execute at runtime.
As we can see, there is data binding and notifications between the model and the view model, and between the view to the view model. The model has all the business logic. The view model passes commands from the view to the model. For the view, it's an expression of the model, converts model information into view information, and it does the presentation logic. In the view, we have our fxml and the UI logic. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the presentation, and a big thank you to Dr. Eli Halaschi for mentoring us.